Windows theme. So today we're gonna be installing Windows 95 on the VM here, and we're gonna be using random themes I found on the internet for Windows 95 and seeing how weird, awful, and crappy they are. So let's get to that. Alright, so first we're gonna make a new virtual machine, Windows 95. I may just open the MS-DOS image up over here, because Windows 95 needs MS-DOS to function. Alright, powered on. Alright, now I got a disk images, so now I just need to mount it. Alright, got that. So now we need to do that. Just let it format real quick. Alright, do that. Now we need to insert disk 2. Alright, now disk 3. Alright, now we don't need a floppy disk anymore, and we should be good. Alright, now there we go. Alright, so now we're going to have to reset the VM and boot off of the ISO image. Alright, now we're in Windows 95. Continue. Yes. I really like this background right here. It looks really nice. Alright, Windows 95 Zip Wizard. Yay! Alright, we're back. So first of all, sadly, I couldn't get Windows 95, but I was able to get Windows 98, which is basically the same thing at this point. So alright, I got the themes in, so now we can do the desktop themes. Alright, so first, we have a bunch of themes in here. This is like really weird. We have like a macOS theme, a Mario Kart theme, Michael Jackson theme, Windows NT theme, Chicago Bulls theme too, for some reason. Yeah, this is really weird, and that should be it. So first, we're gonna be trying the Bulls theme. Alright, all settings, and oh my, what the heck is this? This is so weird. Yeah, definitely made for the biggest Michael Jordan fans and stuff. Like, oh my gosh. This is actually kind of cool. Themes for like everything here. The cursor is like that. We also have more themes here too. Is that a Peanuts theme? Oh my gosh. This is actually real. This is actually a theme. Well, they must be really Peanuts fans. Oh, those sound effects. Oh my gosh. Those are crazy. Oh yeah, the macOS theme. Let's try that. Oh, here we go. Holy crap. That's macOS for sure right there. Well, this is kind of lazy, because this thing up here is just like, it's just like an image. It's not really real. It's just like, yeah. We got the Windows NT. Oh no. We also have a Garfield theme in here. Alright, no settings, and oh my. Let's try the last one we have here. I'm pretty sure it'll work, which is the Thriller. Oh dang. This is cool. Holy crap. Yeah, this is definitely really cool. Well, they definitely use a lot of sounds from the Thriller album here. So yeah, these are a lot of weird Windows 98 themes and stuff. So yeah, this is really weird. So yeah.